Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw some cartoon eggnog. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our eggnog, we're going to begin right up here. You want to begin by drawing a triangle shape. So we're going to go start by making a line that goes up and then down. Next, we're just going to connect it right across for the triangle. Next, we're going to draw a line that comes down, and we're going to make another line that comes down over here. Then we want to draw a line that comes across to connect them. Starting here, we're going to make a little line over, and another little line over. And we'll make a line that comes down. Next, we're going to draw a line that comes over here, and a line that comes down. Starting here at the top, we'll draw two lines that come up, and a line that comes across. Now, starting over here, we're going to make a little glass of eggnog too. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve. Then we're going to draw a line that's just going to curve down and up. Right in here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to come over and then down. And we'll add a few little stripes on here for like a candy cane. Right here we'll put a little handle on it by making a little line that just curves around with another little line that curves around right inside of it. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that comes down with another one that comes down here. Then we're just going to continue these lines up just a little bit. Now, starting here, I'm going to put a little face on our eggnog. So I'm going to begin by making a circle shape here with another one over here. We'll draw a little line across and a line that comes down and up for the mouth. We'll add a little curved line for the tongue, and then we'll make two little black dots for eyes. Over here we'll do another face. I'll add a little circle with another one here. And we'll put two little black dots in here for eyes. We'll draw another straight line across with a line that comes down and up, and another little line across for the tongue. Then starting here, I'm going to make just kind of like a little wavy line to make it look like some of the eggnog spilled. Then starting up here, I'm going to put a little bit of holly just to kind of show that it is an eggnog. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a couple little circle shapes here. So we'll do 1, 2, and then we'll do a little third one here. We're going to draw a line here and a line here. Then we're going to draw some little pointed lines all along here that just kind of curve out and then come in for the leaves. Just kind of go out and in, come to a point, and we're just going to do the same thing on this side. And there you go, there is your drawing of some eggnog. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.